Double-hung windows installation in Glendale, Arizona is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and style. Our Glendale window contractors specialize in providing top-notch double-hung window replacement Glendale services, ensuring your home is equipped with the best double-hung windows Glendale has to offer. Whether you're interested in vinyl double-hung windows or wooden double-hung windows, our professional window installers Glendale are here to help. Energy-efficient windows. Glendale AZ are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our custom window solutions include a variety of energy-efficient options tailored to your needs. With our window design consultation, you can explore the latest double-hung window styles Glendale and find the perfect fit for your home. Our Glendale window specialists AZ are experts in window insulation, Glendale, Arizona, ensuring your home remains energy-efficient year-round. Window replacement services in Glendale, Arizona are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window replacement Glendale, Arizona services, including window frame replacement Glendale AZ and window sash replacement. We also provide window hardware replacement to ensure your windows function smoothly. Trust our double-hung window experts Glendale to handle all your window maintenance services Glendale needs. Affordable window services in Glendale AZ are within reach with our competitive pricing and exceptional service. Our residential window services Glendale, Arizona include everything from window glass replacement Glendale AZ to window sealing Glendale AZ. We pride ourselves on offering affordable windows Glendale AZ without compromising on quality. Our window renovation Glendale services are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Custom double-hung windows Glendale are available to meet your specific design preferences. Our window design Glendale, Arizona team works closely with you to create unique window solutions that complement your home's architecture. Explore our double-hung window options Glendale to find the perfect match for your style. Our double-hung window upgrades Glendale offer enhanced features and improved performance. Window maintenance. Glendale is essential for prolonging the life of your windows. Our window maintenance services Glendale include regular inspections and necessary replacements to keep your windows in top condition. Our Glendale window contractors AZ are dedicated to providing reliable and efficient service. With our window sealing services, you can prevent drafts and improve your home's energy efficiency. Glendale window specialists are your go-to experts for all things windows. From window glass replacement Glendale AZ to window hardware Glendale, Arizona, we have the expertise to handle any window-related project. Our professional window installers Glendale ensure a seamless installation process, whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient windows or replacing old ones. Trust our double-hung Windows Glendale team for all your window needs in Glendale, Arizona.